Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's Rich Boy. For today's video, we will be doing a outfit check here in Ajdan Walk in Alcobar City. So let's look for someone who's wearing a good outfit today. Yalla. Hi, how are you?
Hello,
What's your name?
I'm Brian.
Where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines.
Can you hold the mic please? So my name is Jamboy. I'm a YouTuber actually. So we'll be doing a outfit check. Is it okay for you?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. So can you please tell us what you're wearing today?
My cup is from Gun.
From
And-
Gun?
Yeah, Gun.
Gun. Okay.
Yeah, Gun.
And what about your?
My necklace from Armani.
Do you think how much is it?
Around 250 real.
Around 250
Yeah, around
reals.
250
Okay.
real. And my top is from Adidas. And I think this is from Zara. And Adidas as well.
Or is it okay to tell us how much is it? The cost of
This one is
accessories
a
you're
keep of
wearing?
my mom. That's why I don't know the price. And the watch is from Rado. I don't know also the price because
is it
it's
real?
from my dad. Yeah, it's
Oh,
from
wow.
it's real. It's 5 years.
Okay. Then.
And Adidas, I think.
Do you think how much
it's
is it?
Around 170 or 180 like that.
Okay then. What about the pants?
The pants, around 200 like that.
Around 200.
Yeah.
From Zara, right?
Yeah, from Zara. And the shoes, maybe 270 or 250 real.
Okay. What about your accessories?
Accessories is a gift of my friend, workmate. I think it's from online. And also this one, it's from online as well.
Really? So thank you, Brian, and I'll see you again. So I will post this one in YouTube, and if you want to watch it, that would be great.